This is a 5 on your side local news update.
Happy Thursday afternoon to you. Hope your day's off to a great start. It's beautiful weather all across the region, a little bit breezy at times, but it's not windy. We're going to keep it a breezy, and we should see wind gusts perhaps upwards of about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Otherwise, a beautiful afternoon for us. You know, Tuesday's high was 56 degrees. We're headed to the low 80s today. In fact, we're already almost near that mark. 79 degrees for us here in town at this hour. St. Charles checking in at 80 degrees. Scott Air Force Base at an even 75 for us this afternoon. We'll continue that warming trend. We really started yesterday. We were 20 degrees warmer yesterday than the day before. And today we're a good 5 to 10 degrees warmer here this afternoon than yesterday. So tomorrow will be the other side of that. We'll be a little bit cooler. I'll show you why here in just a moment. But again, today's highs in the low 80s. We're mostly sunny across the region, but we will see a few clouds begin to build during the afternoon warmth. No rain out of those clouds, though. That holds off until Saturday. This is Saturday morning, 4 a.m. or Friday morning, rather. That's when the rain moves in. And it is nice and quiet, but we will be looking at the radar to the northwest for some scattered showers. Those will begin to move into our region during the late morning, early afternoon hours. I will say this, I think the forecast models are overdoing the coverage on this rainfall. This is all light to moderate rain, nothing too heavy we don't expect. It moves southeast across downtown and then through the rest of our region through the afternoon. This is now by about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And again, the rain chances decrease though through the evening hours, so we should dry out, but I think the clouds will linger, so cooler tomorrow with highs in the low 70s. The good news is this, is that all this activity is out of here by the Greater St. Louis Marathon on Saturday. Only about a 20% chance of a stray shower. And check out these running temperatures, starting out in the mid 50s, ending the run there in the mid 60s. So that's perfect for running for a good cause Saturday morning. We're excited about that. All right, as we look ahead, though, we got some changes to the forecast. And this is really what we're keeping a close watch on. This area of low pressure off the west coast. Then another area of energy diving southeast out of the Bay of Alaska. Both of these will somewhat merge, obviously well off to our west. But these systems, when they finally get together and then move eastbound, that's what's going to bring the chance for rain, storms, and possibly some stronger storms into next week. I show you all this to say this, is that these two elements plus several others are still several days out from really coming together. So the forecast uncertainty is higher than normal. So we'll keep you updated as we move through, but for now, we expect to see a day 6 risk of severe weather across our western, northwesternmost portions on Tuesday. And then as we move this to Wednesday, that area shifts eastbound into our area. Obviously, it covers up the whole region. Again, the uncertainty with this type of setup this far out is higher than normal. So just realize this, that the overall pattern does support severe weather, something we're keeping a close watch on, analyzing all the data as it comes in. There's too many variables at this point, so if you see anything on social media, I'm sure you will, it's too far out to have any specifics on this. The entire severe threat could skip our area. We have some solutions where that happens. So stay tuned for updates. We have not issued a weather impact alert day for either Tuesday or Wednesday, and there is a reason why. It's because there's too much uncertainty at this point. But it is something we're watching. It's severe weather season, nothing to be anxious over, nothing to be worried about. This is what happens this time of year. We'll keep you updated. Of course, we'll keep a close watch on it as well. So again, a few clouds for us later on this afternoon, but beautiful condition, highs in the low 80s. Again, a light breeze out of the southwest, nothing too bad. Tomorrow, get some scattered showers across the area. Light to moderate rain, more clouds than not. That's why we're only topping out in the low 70s tomorrow. We're back to the mid 70s for Saturday. Perfect weather for this weekend. Great forecast ahead. Saturday, only a 20% chance of rain means an 80% chance it does not rain. Sunday, isolated storms as well. But then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, that's when we'll start to really have some good ideas on the specifics for that upcoming potential severe weather threat. Looking most likely on Tuesday or Wednesday, but again, is still low likelihood overall. So we'll keep you updated on that. The other aspect of this is that, again, temperatures warm in the low 80s by Sunday, low 80s on Monday, mid 80s possible Tuesday, and the mid 80s once again for Wednesday. So enjoy the nice warm weather while we've got it.
This has been a 5 on your side local news update.